When someone creates a crowdfunding campaign to cover medical bills, disaster recovery, or personal hardships, money moves through a structured electronic payment network before it ever reaches a bank account. GoFundMe functions as an intermediary platform, connecting individuals who want to give financial support with organizers who need funds. Understanding the underlying mechanics of how these donations are processed, taxed, and distributed helps clarify what happens to every dollar contributed online. The process begins the moment a donor enters their debit or credit card information on a campaign page. GoFundMe does not handle payment processing directly. Instead, it partners with certified third-party payment processors like Stripe and PayPal. These secure gateways encrypt the transaction details, authorize the charge with the donor's financial institution, and transfer the authorized funds into a dedicated merchant holding account associated with the platform. This happens in a matter of seconds, ensuring that the transaction is authenticated and protected against fraud before any funds are officially recorded on the campaign page. Once the payment clears, the financial breakdown of the transaction occurs automatically. GoFundMe operates on a platform model where creating and hosting a campaign is free. Instead of charging an upfront fee, the platform deducts a small percentage from each donation at the point of processing to cover credit card fees and operational costs. For campaigns based in the United States, this standard deduction typically consists of a flat transaction fee plus a small percentage of the total donation amount. The remaining net balance is then officially credited to the campaign dashboard, reflecting the total amount available for withdrawal. The money sits in the secure holding account until the campaign organizer initiates a withdrawal. GoFundMe does not automatically send funds to a bank account. The organizer must explicitly request a payout. To do this, the organizer must complete a verification process by providing legal identification, tax information, and valid bank account details. This security measure ensures that the person withdrawing the funds is legally authorized to receive them and helps prevent fraudulent campaigns from cashing out. Once the bank information is verified, payouts are transferred via electronic bank transfer, which usually takes a few business days to fully settle in the recipient's bank account. Taxes are another critical aspect of how donations work, and the rules vary depending on the intent of the campaign and the region. In many jurisdictions, personal donations given out of detached generosity are classified as gifts rather than taxable income for the recipient. Because they are considered gifts, the person receiving the funds generally does not have to pay income tax on the donations, and donors typically cannot claim a charitable tax deduction since GoFundMe is a for-profit platform rather than a registered 501(c)(3) nonprofit organization. However, tax laws can change based on the specific circumstances, the total amount raised, and local regulations, meaning organizers are often advised to consult tax professionals for large sums. Donors also have recourse if they suspect fraudulent activity or if a campaign is misrepresented. Payment processors and platform trust and safety teams monitor transactions for suspicious patterns, and platforms often feature reporting tools for users to flag problematic pages. If a campaign is found to violate terms of service or involves deceptive practices, payouts can be frozen and refund processes can be initiated for recent donors. This safety net provides a layer of consumer protection within the digital fundraising ecosystem.